The days are getting shorter and the nights are getting cooler here in Connecticut 6B, so there won't be too many more flowers. We have 50 years of growing flowers. Mommy is the matriarch of the family, and Rai is the youngest in our branch. Flowers are everywhere. Look at the beautiful butterfly. Oh my goodness. These purple flowers reseed themselves every year. Beautiful lavender iris. Look at the yellow irises. Just gorgeous. Yellow and purple variegated irises. They're a little bit smaller. Everything is so dense, so thick, so lush. These are the pink peonies in the front yard. Sid, the great-great-granddaughter, Daddy had all of these stone walls built. These are rhododendrons, pink azaleas. I'm only talking about the ones that are in bloom when I photograph them. Purple irises, dark pink azaleas. I put a cutting in the backyard from my earlier house, and it's that big now. These are lilies of the valley. They grow all over the ground. Light pink azaleas. White phlox growing along the walls in the spring and early summer. Mommy and I planted about 50 forsythia back there. Red tulips. She swears the squirrels eat those first. More, I think these are red tulips from a different view on the side. Yellow daffodils. Oh, and lilies, lilies, lilies. There are so many lilies. More of those white and purple flowers. They just reseed themselves. There's just zillions of them everywhere. So many lilies. This is a small planter in the front on one side of the yard. Peeking out through the rhododendron. More vibrant lilies. Just strong color. Pink calla lilies. Small purple irises. Just bunches of them. Black-eyed Susans. White lilies. Pure white. Just so pretty. 50 years of lilies of all kinds. Just so gorgeous. Look at these. Lilies everywhere. Amazing stone walls. The stone walls are like a backdrop. Look at this purple and white iris. Just so dense, so lush, so much foliage. 50 years worth. We have to thin it out. I shouldn't say we, they do. Pink impatiens, annuals that get planted. Dark pink, bright impatiens. Oh, and the hosta. You should see the hosta. Oh my goodness, just so much hosta. Variegated hosta. Look how thick it is. You can't walk through there. You can't thin it out. It's amazing. These are larger, darker hosta. There are some larger, but I see I didn't take any pictures of those. These are some of the flowers on the larger hosta. This is me sitting on the front porch at Mom's house before I go home. She's such a doll. She loves flowers. Thank you for watching. About to head back to my apartment stead. Peace, love, and blessings. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.